Chapter 8 Iterative Statements in Python. Children, in the previous class, you reviewed the basic concepts of Python, such as operators and conditional statements. Now, you will learn about the iterative statements in detail. In a program, there are many situations where we need to repeat same set of tasks again and again. In Python, the statements that are used to repeat a set of instructions are called iterative or looping statements. Looping statements are very useful and necessary for developing applications. Python provides two types of looping statements. 1. For. 2. While. Let's discuss these constructs in brief. The for statement. The for statement executes a simple or compound statement for a fixed number of times. The syntax of the for statement is given below. For variable in iterator. Statements. Program 1 to print all the months of a year. You will get the following output. Program 2 to print a pattern using for loop. You will get the following output. The in operator. The in operator is used to check if a given value exists in the sequence or not. It evaluates to true if it finds a value in the specified sequence, else it returns false. Syntax. Value in sequence. For example, if you want to check whether the number 10 is present in a given sequence of numbers 1, 2, 3, 10, execute the following code. Program 3. Output. Program 4. Output. Using the range function. The range function is an inbuilt function of Python. This function generates a list, which is a sequence type. A sequence is a succession of values bound together by a single name. The range function is used in the for loop to iterate over the numbers. The general syntax of using the range function is given below. Range n generates a set of whole numbers starting from 0 to n1. Example, range 6 is equivalent to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Range start stop generates a set of whole numbers starting from start to stop 1. Example, range 3, 9 is equivalent to 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Range start stop step size by default, the value of the step underscore size 1 and numbers generated with a difference of 1. However, we can generate numbers by specifying the value of step underscore size according to our requirement. Example, range 1, 14, 2 is equivalent to 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13. Program 5 to print welcome 10 times using for loop with range function. On running the above program, we get the following output. Program 6 to print multiplication table of an input number. On running the program, we get the following output. The while statement. The while statement executes a set of statements repeatedly until the logical expression evaluates to true. When the condition becomes false, the control comes out of the loop. The syntax of while statement is given ahead. Syntax. While, test expression. Statements. Program 7 to demonstrate the use of a while loop. You will get the following output. The while loop using else statement. Python enables the use of else statement with the while loop. The else block is executed when the condition given in the while statement becomes false. Program 8 to demonstrate the use of while loop with else statement. On running the above program, we get the following output. Infinite loop. If the condition given in a loop never becomes false, then the loop will never terminate and run indefinitely. This type of loops is called an infinite loop. Example: while 1. Print hello. Output: hello will be printed infinite times. To come out of the infinite loop, we can either close the program window or press Ctrl+C. This will break the running of the program. In fact, at any time during the execution of a program in Python, you can press the key combination Ctrl+C to stop running the program. Jump statements. Sometimes, there is a situation when the control of the program needs to be transferred out of the loop body, even if all the values of the iterations of the loop have not been completed. For this purpose, jumping statements are used in Python. Python offers two jumping statements: break and continue, which are used within the loop. The break statement. The break is a keyword in Python which is used for bringing the program control out of the loop. The break statement halts the execution of a loop and program flow switches to the statement after the loop. A single break statement will break out of only one loop. The syntax of the break statement is shown below. Syntax: hash loop statement. Break. Program 9 to demonstrate the use of the break statement in a loop. On running the above program, we get the following output. The continue statement. The continue statement is used inside loops. When a continue statement is encountered inside a loop, control of the program jumps to the beginning of the loop for next iteration, skipping the execution of rest of the statements of the loop for the current iteration. Syntax: hash loop statements. Continue. Hash the code to be skipped. Program 10 to demonstrate the use of the continue statement in a loop. On running the program, we get the following output.